Hello friends, good morning. Myself, yes, Cardiac Jubilance wishing you welcome on Jet Plus Academy channel. If you have not subscribed the channel, then please first of all visit the video till the last. If it is looking, if it is understood to you that it has something effective, then please subscribe or otherwise be forwarded. ठीक है. First of all, in this topic, I am going to tell you how to command geometry. There are several topics you study here and there, but there is lag in your knowledge, in your practice, in your understanding, comprehension of geometry. Then, first of all, you have to prepare basic foundation. Basic foundation, just preparing that you can totally command on geometry. Then I am going to tell you step by step. Now look at this. First of all, to command geometry, you have to understand the very concept of origin of geometry. Very concept of origin of geometry. यदि आप लोग नोट करना चाहें, नोट कर लीजिए. Please convey this very channel to your home students, your relatives, your business in your neighborhood or in your network. If it is looking, there is something effective. Origin, first of all, origin of geometry. इस concept को अभी मैं थोड़ा सा just I will explain a bit about this. How will you understand the origin of geometry? Second one, first of all, note all these points and just tell your home students and everyone that these are the foundation. If you have prepared all this foundation, you can command on geometry 100%. First of all, origin of geometry. Second one, 2D figures. 2D figures, it means geometrical जितने भी figures हैं, geometrical figures, their definition, geometrical figures, their definitions and properties, definition and properties and their types and basic theorem. यानी 2D जितनी भी फिगर्स हैं उन सब का डेफिनेशन, प्रॉपर्टीज, टाइप्स एंड बेसिक थ्योरम. दिस इज सेकेंड पॉइंट एंड नाउ आई एम इरेजिंग दिस. थर्ड वन विल बी your similarity. What is similarity? Concept of similarity, समरूपता. हिंदी मीडियम स्टूडेंट्स read this, समरूपता in हिंदी. ठीक है. What is similarity? Fourth one, congruency. सर्वांग समता. in हिंदी सर्वांग समता, right? Then similarity and congruency, these 4 points. And fifth one the last, understanding है बहुत. there are several things to be studied, but entire geometry just is the game of all these points only. So if you have prepared all these topics, you can well command on geometry. Understanding 3D figures, जो solid figures होते हैं, 3D figures from 2D figures, यानी प्लेन फिगर्स. figures and you see me in this area, perimeter and volume, etc. There are several points, but if you have commanded all these 5 topics in geometry, everything will be very easy, right? Then 5 points in हो गया और 6 पॉइंट आप ये कर सकते हैं, यू कैन ऐड इन कि टेकिंग ज्योमेट्री बॉक्स। 6 पॉइंट ये हो सकता है टेकिंग ज्योमेट्री बॉक्स को लेकर के डिफरेंट फिगर्स, जितनी भी डिफरेंट फिगर्स हैं उनको ड्रा करना। मीन्स प्रैक्टिस शुरू करिए, जैसे स्टार्ट योर प्रैक्टिस इन कंस्ट्रक्शन, जो भी समझ में आए, वट एवर यू अंडरस्टैंडिंग अबाउट दैट, जस्ट स्टार्ट दैट। वन डे यू विल सी देयर इज परफेक्ट concept about the different figures of geometry, right? Come on, now I am going to tell all these points one by one, but in different videos all these points will be discussed. But first, something I am going to tell you. First of all, origin of geometry. Now I am just erasing all these points. First of all, I am going to tackle the first topic, that's origin of geometry. Origin of geometry. Very interesting. Look at this. As Stephen Hawking tell about the theory of universe, that entire ordered universe is just originated from a point object. उन्होंने बताया स्टीफन हॉकिंग, you have well heard about the name Stephen Hawking. Stephen Hawking told that पूरा ब्रह्मांड that is made up of only point object, this point object, and from the explosion of this point object, then mass, energy, time, space, etc. Mass, energy, time, space, all this created from this point object, and it was infinitesimally very even having there was no concept of even space before that. That point object created so infinite ordered universe. Like the same, even geometry has been originated from the point. First geometrical figure from which the entire geometry is created, that is point. Just understand very heart, very soul, very existence of point. Then after that you will be extremely grateful to your knowledge that everything you have known in well way. Come on, this is point. How will you define point? What is point? Point is geometrical figure. Point एक ऐसा geometrical figure है, this point is geometrical figure having no length, no breadth, no height, no thickness, no depth. इसकी न लेंथ है, न ब्रेथ है, न हाइट है, न थिकनेस है, न डेप्थ। देन फर्स्ट ओरिजिन ऑफ ज्योमेट्री बता रहे हैं, आई एम टेलिंग यू अबाउट ओरिजिन ऑफ ज्योमेट्री। फर्स्ट कॉन्सेप्ट इज योर पॉइंट। फ्रॉम पॉइंट एंटायर ज्योमेट्री हैज बीन ओरिजिनेटेड। ए पार्ट। बी पार्ट, when this point moves on straight way, जब ये स्ट्रेट पैथवे कवर करता है पॉइंट जो है और एक इन्फिनिटी की तरफ बढ़ जाता है, ठीक है, यह बिंदु का रास्ता है, दिस इज पैथ ऑफ दिस पॉइंट। Or suppose that this is started from A position, it is started and goes towards the infinity, then this become ray.